Hey guys, welcome to Brew Espresso Coffee. Today's topic is how to make a latte. So, in case you didn't know, the word latte comes from Italian and it actually means milk. So, the ratio of espresso to milk are 1 to 3 to about 1 to 8. It really depends on personal preference. For me, I like it milkier, so I tend to put more milk generally. If you'd like to learn how to make a latte, keep watching this video. Before you start, you're actually gonna probably wanna make sure that you have everything you need to make a latte. So the ingredients that you need are milk, water, and coffee or coffee beans. Preferably coffee beans because if you grind them before making your latte, they're gonna taste fresher and your latte is gonna turn out more delicious than if you use ground coffee, but ground coffee can work as well. In terms of equipment, you're gonna need your espresso machine and your latte mug, and also a little jug in which you're gonna froth the milk. I added a link in the description box below in case you wanna take a look at our recommendation of a good jug to use. So I've actually linked the one that I'm going to be using in the video. So if you're wondering what kind of milk should you use for a latte, the best is whole fat. This is because of the taste and also because espresso machines that you can buy to use at home usually work best with full fat milk. The commercial frothers can texturize low-fat milk and also vegetable milk really well. So that's the difference between something that you can get to use at home and then something that they have in coffee shops. The fact that coffee shops have those commercial milk frothers makes it easy for the baristas who work at those coffee shops to make beautiful latte art using low-fat milks or vegetable milks. So keep watching if you would like to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a latte. Step 1. Grind your coffee beans. Step 2. Add your coffee in the portafilter. Step 3. Tamp the coffee. Step 4. Clean your portafilter. Make sure there isn't any coffee on the rim because that could get stuck on your machine and affect its performance later on. Step 5. Insert your portafilter into the espresso machine. Step 6. Add your favorite cup under the portafilter and press the brewing button. When your espresso is ready, it's time to steam your milk. Step 8. Add your milk into the pitcher. Step 9. Start frothing. You want to hold the tip of the frother near the surface of the milk, just below. You don't want to hold it too high up, otherwise you'll notice you'll get big bubbles, which is not what we want. You want tiny bubbles that give the latte its own unique flavor. That's the texture that's going to make it possible to make a beautiful latte art. The big bubbles are good to make a foam for a cappuccino, but not for lattes.
Step 10. Tap your jug on the counter once or twice. This is an optional step. Banging the jug helps. That's the way to pop the big unwanted bubbles that are on the surface. Step 11. This is the last step. Take your mug and take the milk you have frothed and slowly pour it into the mug. This is your time to shine. Make a beautiful latte art that's gonna make you smile. I hope you like the abstract art I went for this time.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found it useful and that it was easy for you to follow along. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below and we'll make sure to get back to you. If you really like espresso videos or coffee related videos, then subscribe. And if you thought this video was useful, give it a like.